guys, we're back to another video. And somebody is trying to talk, but I muted myself so she can't hear me at all. She's gonna be watching this video and comment on it. B&A, comment on the video when you see this. She's gonna see it like first view. But yeah. She's talking, but she doesn't know I'm listening. But yeah, we're gonna be mixing slime, and I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about it because I don't want to mix my slimes because sometimes they don't turn out good. Oh, good. But I'm gonna try it. So with this yellow, I'm not gonna mix it all in, so I'm gonna use half of it. Well, I may not even use half. Yeah, I'll use half, and I'm gonna take. Put this back in. I'm gonna take a green. And this green is actually a pretty green, which is the bad part. I'll take half of this and then mix it. Well, this is the bad part. This isn't as good as this one, so let's keep mixing. She doesn't know how to stay quiet. But I mixed it for like 2 minutes, and it turns to a nice greeny color. It's a nice green, so it's cute. Let's mix pink and blue. Half of my pink and half my blue. No, I'm gonna mix it with I'm gonna mix pink with yellow again, but yeah, it's gonna be the same yellow. So I'm gonna mix it with the half of the other yellow and mix. Oh, this is gonna turn out. I think this one's gonna turn out weird. Because the pink was like hard kind of, and this one's all like slimy and liquidy. Maybe just mix it. Okay guys, so while I was mixing, I talked to B&A and she was like, "What? No, don't. And I mute myself, so yeah. And it turned out like a poopy color. Well, it's like a tan, like a tan color kind of. It's cute. It's actually pretty cute. I'm gonna mix everything with like yellow. I might need more yellow. Let's mix blue and yellow. Why not? I'm gonna take this whole thing. No, I'm gonna take half. The bad thing is this is like the hard kind, so yeah. So I like almost missed. Okay, and now mixy the poopy. Okay, and this one just turned out like a little bit lighter, but it still has some green in it. Took about 4 or 5 minutes. It's a cute color still. Look kind of like poopy because it has like weird green lines in it, but it's okay. We're all different. Crap! I ran out of space in my thing. Okay, so I had to move them all into there. So I think I mixed 4 today. No, 5. So I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Because I got 1, 2. Wait, no, did I mix 5? I don't know. I'm just gonna mix another one real quick. I'm gonna mix my cute little minty color thingamajig. I'm gonna mix it a little bit because I actually have a lot of this color. It's a little hard to snap off. It's sticky. And some green. She's talking to me, but I'm not gonna reply. Some like weird greeny color. Okay, now this is weird. Okay guys, so we are back, and this is gonna be the last line because she just got me into Roblox, and I wanna play now, and I got the phone. She's playing on a computer, but whatever. And this is a cute color. It's actually like a blue, but it has sparkles in it. I can't. If you can see that, there's little sparkles in it, and it's actually pretty cute. I like it. So, and that would be that's going to be the conclusion of this episode today. He's just staring at me. This is going to be the conclusion of this video today. Open it again. I messed up. Bye bye.